Hi, welcome back to the accounting module. In this video, we're going to set up the general accounting settings in iExcel Core. These settings determine how your financial year runs, how reports behave, and how transactions flow through your accounting system. So, moving forward, we go to the accounting. When you go to the menu in accounting, you'll have your settings. Under your general settings, here we are. We have a button to reset all the data. When we have entries to remove, so we rarely use these buttons unless you want to change every setting. For accounting year, most businesses do January, but you have to change your accounting year depending on your organization and institution. Most accounting and tax years are the same, or you can change the tax year depending on the period of reporting for tax in your organization. There are two accounting methods, that is the accrual accounting, where where income and expenses are recorded when invoices are used, and we also have the cash accounting, which is normally income and expenses are only recorded when money is received or paid. Ideally, most businesses are on the accrual method, so you can pick in the accrual and leave that. This option allows you to close your books so that books are not changed, or there will be a warning whenever there is any change. So it depends on when you've closed the year. It can be a monthly closure so that anybody who wants to do anything for purposes of tax, they are warned or highlighted that they are posting in a period that is already closed. So you can pick the date where you want all the entries for a certain period not to be closed or nothing to be changed. So let's say you want nobody to post after or in the month of October. In the chart of account settings, you can enable account numbers if you want the chart of accounts to have numbers, and you can have them show the accounting numbers so that we have not only the name of the account, but also the numbers. Dashboard all-time filter, you just enable for purposes of seeing all or entries, or you're able to filter all the reports on the dashboard. And finally, we having label type. We can have payment, stroke account deposit, or credit and debit. This is where we see, instead of in our journals, instead of having a credit and a debit side, we have a payment account and a deposit too. So you can decide and say you want to see debit or credit, or you want to see payment and accounted deposit. That in a nutshell is your general account settings. They form the basis of how your accounting and books will look going forward. It is a very important button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video when you're looking at banking rules.